Hi everyone, I'm Rodel Flordeliz of NognogInTheCity.com and welcome to the feed. Today is going to be a very exciting day because we are going out of the country, but we will not reach any land. We'll be staying in the middle of the ocean where we can bask under the sun, eat, drink, and have fun. Join me as I cruise the South China Sea. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Luneta Park. Actually, we're going to Hotel H2O. The meetup time is 3 PM pero sobrang aga ko. Like 2 o'clock pa lang ng hapon ngayon. Talaga nilakad ko from the LRT station dun sa Taft going here. It's too far, sobrang init. Pero kaya yan. Diretso na tayo doon, tapos siguro doon na lang tayo magpahinga pagdating natin para if ever makapag-freshen up pa tayo. Luneta! Rizal Park! So for all the foreigners who's watching my vlog, do visit this place. It's really a nice park. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. Yeah, like picnic. Rizal Park Hotel. It's actually looks better than the old ones. You got a nice view of Manila Bay as well. Ocean Park. There. Pagod ako. I really need to have a really nice lunch or dinner. H2O. So we're here right now at Hotel H2O, guys.
Huwag mong ipo-plaster yan. Ang galing ko na lang para nakay mahirap. Dami naman ng carrots. Parang illegal recruitment.
Ano ka? Ang laki niya, para siyang malaking building na nakagutang. So nice. So yan guys, Star Cruises, Virgo, ito tayo sa sakay ulit. Okay guys, we're going now. Sasakay na tayo sa cruise. Pero syempre, daan muna tayo ng immigration. Just check the bags and everything else. Checking in.
We're going on a cruise.
Yay. Checking in area. This is actually an area where you can group check in. Yeah. So, sila yung mga kasama. So, I already got my key card. So, this is our access card with the room number. I will be at room 0 pala. 09560.
Wala namang 1 Rodel.
Are we boarding already? And that's the Star Cruises. Hey guys. Tapos na sa immigration, so sakay na kami sa Virgo. Sarap ang lamig. This is it. Okay guys, sa loob na tayo ng Star Cruises. Okay. Checking in. Hi. We are here guys. Where are we heading? Okay. I don't know. Go. Group na tayo. Bye. We're heading to the lobby. Sabi para maubos ang oras dito kakalakad lang. same floor. Press 9. Yay! Iniwan natin si Rod.
Oo.
Kinakaya na ako ni Mikael.
Wait, grabe.
Okay, doon tayo. Doon tayo sa kabila. So we're looking for 9.560.
Grabe.
5.588 yun sa inyo, no?
Oo.
It's a room!
Bye guys.
Cards
Wait lang,
room.
anong game plan natin?
Para namang
Kakain nata.
Oo
nga eh, eto lang.
Ito lang pala. Let's go, room tour.
Shit.
Ay,
Okay.
ang liit naman lang.
Ay, tinutulak ba? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hindi, sige.
Ayan.
See?
Shit, ba't hindi pwedeng
My
sa akin?
gosh.
Oh, okay, it's a twin room. Yay! So this is the cabin. It's so nice. So we're gonna give you a tour of our room for today before I put on my bags. We got here safe box, my cabinet for your stuff and everything. Of course, safety. Meron tayong mga floaters in here. Ano tawag sa ganito? Life vest. Yeah.
Life
Those are the life vests. We got a fridge. Yes, coffee, tea, water. Ang laki ng TV! Ang laki ng TV. Natuwa ako sa TV. 2 beds, sofa. And this is the perfect view of the city! Bukas! Ah! Paano binubuksan? Oh, hindi mabuksan. Anyway, that's the view. That's Ocean Park. Of course, the whole Manila cityscape. We'll be going out soon. Yes, Ruth.
Yay!
You know what? Pwede pala siyang connecting.
Kaya nga eh. Yun yung sasabi ko eh.
So CR. So yung CR namin para siyang, merong shower. And of course, it's nice. Figuring out how to open this one para makalabas kami sa lobby. Lobby? Veranda pala. Hala, baka masira.
Baka may tutorial. Paano?
Open fully. There you go.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yay! We're
Grabe po
free!
kayo.
So, our very own veranda.
Oh my
Here in the cruise.
Hello!
Woo! Hi, neighbors! Hello!
Hello!
Si Mikael wala. So hey guys, we're just waiting for all the passengers to board. And in just a few minutes siguro, aalis na kami here sa Manila. And we'll be cruising in the South China Sea.
Yes! We're gonna fight for our right
I know.
for that
Right.
territory.
Nadaanan namin yung Spratlys and the Kalayaan Islands. Hi!
Kanina ka pa dyan?
Hindi lang namin ma-figure out kung paano buksan.
Kami.
So what's happening there?
Hi!
So, to us. Bad. There's the duty free. Taverna sa upper deck eh. So we're going here today. So guys, we're going out now. We're going to have dinner at the Taverna. We're here! Hello. There's a pool. There's a slide. Ed, uy! Guys, we're here right now at the Taverna and we're going to have our dinner, early dinner, kasi it's 6 o'clock pa lang. So I'm gonna show you around.
Hi doll! How are you?
Hello! Got here, kebab. And the beef Wellington. Last but not least, we got desserts! Ang paborito ni Lou! Guys, I'm having Korean noodles and spicy pork, vegetables, fresh seafood, and soup. So guys, we are already finished with our dinner. We're now heading to cabin deck 7?
Yes.
Deck 7 for the emergency drill. This is something na laging ginagawa before the ship.
Parang
Yeah.
sunay na sunay sila.
So we're heading to X.
所有的服务设施将关闭，直到安全演习结束。这次安全演习是所有今天登船的乘客都必须参加的。
Are you telling this is your assembly station X? Upon hearing 7 short and 1 long blast, you have to proceed with your assembly station.
You have just heard the general emergency alarm. Please proceed to your assembly station now. When you are at your assembly station, please line up facing seaside and follow the instructions given by the crew at the assembly station.
The drill is already done. We are here now at the main lobby. This is the grand hall. Look down. It's really nice. Look at this, guys. So guys, I'm already here at the room and we got an hour before the entertainment event later. I don't know kung saan yun eh, pero fireworks is already happening there. Look. Yay! Fireworks! So, hey guys, we're now heading to the Zodiac Theater to watch a magic show for tonight. Sorry guys, that's the end of the magic show for today. It was so great. Vincent Benoit is actually having autograph signing there at the front, so maybe we can go near that one. So this is the line if you wanted to have a photo with Vincent. This was the show that we watched today. Vincent Benoit. So guys, we're heading to start dining for today. Start dining. Oh, sad. It's already closed. That's actually the end of the day for today. Fortunately, we weren't able to have late dinner in the restaurant that we visited a while ago. So what we did is we just crashed in here in Ron Magaru and Mikhail's room. Yes. No, this is not how it looks like a while ago.
Yes,
It looks like
super clean
different a
room
while ago.
among
No,
all the cabins here.
like no, like totally. It's really dim.
guys, kamusta kayo dyan sa
It's
Pilipinas?
very... Ganito pala buhay ng seaman. Ang saya.
That's it, guys. May disco ball.
Bowl?
Ball. I thought the night's already over, but Mikhail is told us that they're eating at the Lido for tonight, so
Already ended the
we'll
vlog
be
earlier.
going here to eat.
Already ended the vlog.
Yes.
Kaya mo 5
Ayoko na.
Dinner
Tulog na ba tayo?
kind of dinner.
Old man.